Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to learn how to make some videos on slow camera on TikTok, how to slow down that video. So it's pretty easy. First of all, I'm going into my TikTok account and now may click on the creation button, the add symbol at the bottom of my screen. Here I'm going to make some 50 seconds of my video. And to the right, I have a new menu, flip, speed, filters. So if I want to change the speed, there's an option. The 1x is the normal speed. But if I go to this 0.3x, that's a slow speed, okay? And obviously the 3x is gonna be a fast speed. So I'm going to select this one to make my video. This is the normal speed. And now if I may click on the check, the red button, this is gonna be really slow because of the speed I selected. And that's how you can slow down a video on TikTok.